Welcome to another episode on teaching, learning, tutorials, and tech. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create layer masks in Photoshop. So, here's my top layer here, the background color. I've just, it was right here, and that's my top color here, or my image here. So, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to click and drag it up, cover it, and if you go down here, if you hover there, it will say add layer mask, and that's what I want to do. I want to add a layer mask. So I click on it. So this is the white canvas here, and right here is the actual layer mask. So when you create a layer mask, make sure you click on here and not there. So I've clicked here. I'm going to click B for brush on the keyboard, and that's my brush. So if you want a range of brushes, you'll find it here, new brush, get more brushes. There's different ways of getting brushes. And up here, you can change the diameter, the size, and the direction. And the thing about Photoshop is there's more ways of, there's more than one way of doing something. So I've clicked B for brush, it took me here, and black reveals and white conceals. So if I click here onto the board, it will reveal. Command Z. I want let me see, let's increase the size. You can do it here, or you can use that's a massive brush. You can use the shortcut key, which is the right bracket key on the keyboard. Someone click here, not bad, but if you click over it again, it will intensify and you'll be able to see it more clearly. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and if you click here and then hold down shift, you just do a brush stroke. Click, hold down shift, click, start and end. Command Z, Command Z. Let's go for a different brush. This time, let's go for a solid circle. Reduce the size. Again. Again. There you go. Let's choose another brush. I'm using the shortcut on the keyboard. Okay, and if I switch it to white, it will conceal. Switch it back to black, and it will reveal. And there you have it, and that's how you do layer masks in Photoshop. You experiment with different brushes and different sizes and different directions to get different results. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you have any other things that you want to learn on Photoshop, leave a comment below. That's it for now. Take care and see you in the next video. Bye.